Home Eye Test Challenge. Can you pass without seeing an eye doctor? Ever wondered about the health of your eyes? While regular checkups with an optometrist are crucial, there are some basic tests you can perform at home to assess your vision. Let's dive into a simple eye test you can do right now. Disclaimer: this home eye test is not a substitute for a comprehensive eye exam by a qualified professional. If you experience any vision problems, consult an eye doctor immediately. The test: visual acuity. Use a Snellen chart or create your own with letters of varying sizes at a standard distance. Cover one eye and read the smallest line you can clearly see. Repeat with the other eye. Any difficulty reading lines you could previously see might indicate a vision change. Color vision. Test your ability to distinguish between colors. There are online color blindness tests available. Peripheral vision. Hold your arms out to the sides and slowly move your hands in towards your face. Note when you first see them. Reduced peripheral vision could indicate an issue. Additional tips: pay attention to symptoms. Blurred vision, eye pain, floaters, or sudden vision changes warrant an immediate visit to an eye doctor. Protect your eyes. Wear sunglasses with UV protection. Avoid excessive screen time and give your eyes regular breaks. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep contribute to overall eye health. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now to transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Remember, this home eye test is a basic assessment. Regular professional eye exams are essential for maintaining optimal eye health. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Take care of your eyes, and they'll take care of you.